Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will share you beautiful button crafts ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today videos. So viewers, first idea is friends, simple button crafts. Today I am sharing easy button crafts ideas. You can use all buttons and create something beautiful. Arrange button in simple shape like flower or heart. Glue them on paper or fabric. Easy, fun and creative. Button art for a home. Let's make button art for home decoration. Use colorful buttons to create designs. You can make a tree, flower, simple patterns. Frame your design and place it on the wall. It's look very cute and stylish. They use old button and weavers. Don't throw all buttons away. Let's reuse them in a creative way. Make beautiful crafts with simple ideas. This is friendly and fun. Turn all the things into new art. Kids crafts ideas. This button craft is perfect for kids. Use bright and colorful buttons. And their friends. Weavers. This button craft is perfect for kids. Use bright and colorful pattern. Make shape like animal, flower or smiley face. Kids will enjoy the activity. Easy and full of fun. So I hope you wish you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers. So Allah Hafiz. Thank you for watching my videos. So thanks for watching my channel, viewers.